Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, hi, my name is Nadia, and a fun fact about me is I've been married for 5 years and it's going to be 6 years in April 2019. Alright, now time to get into this video. So today is a try-on haul featuring all Ashley Stewart stuff, and it's stuff that I actually purchased this time around, and I ordered online, didn't get to try anything out, so I'm going to be trying it out for the first time with you guys and give you guys my feedback. I really haven't bought too many Ashley Stewart stuff, so this should be very interesting to see how it fits and feels, if it's true to size, and I picked a bunch of stuff that I liked online, so hopefully I like it in real life. If not, it will be returned. And you guys can comment below, let me know what you like and give me your opinion so that I can better decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. Also, please excuse the messiness that you see going on behind you. We are doing some rearranging in the house, and I was like, maybe I should wait till everything's done set up, but I'm like, nah, because then I'm going to keep pushing it off and pushing off filming, and I don't want to do that anymore. And so I'm making it my goal to keep putting out more videos for you guys, and I hope that you guys are watching and you find it helpful and interesting. Alright, enough chatting, let's get into the try-on haul. Here is the big old box of goodies. I already busted it open. I actually placed this order 2 days ago. Yeah, it came in 2 days, which is crazy because I wasn't expecting it to come this fast. Let me just set it down over here. So this whole haul is a $400 up haul, and I picked out a few, like about 12 pieces here. So let's go ahead and dive into this and unbox this whole thing. Already just from the looks of the rack, I'm loving what I've got. I just hope everything fits good and looks good on. Okay, so the first item I want to share with you guys is this camo jumpsuit. So let's go try this on. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about this, like one of the things that I always have like a fear about is fitting into a romper. Like it's always a struggle to get into a romper, especially for a curvy gal like me. And at first I thought this was actually not gonna fit because it was so difficult to pull over my shoulders and all my arms. But once I actually got in, it fits and feels right. I would prefer for it to be a little bit more cinched around here up top. I think I actually like this a lot. I might even like pair it with like maybe a netted or mesh top underneath, so it shows on the sleeves a little bit and over here a little bit and leave it open a little bit more. So this is the full romper. What do you guys think? There's pockets. There is a lot of movement, so I mean, it is pretty loose around here, but I guess that's for like arm movement. So normally my size 22, but I got this in a 24, and it seems to fit best. I think if I got a size smaller, it would have been too snug around the midsection. So I would recommend going a size up if you guys do want to try this out. I especially always go a size up on a romper just because I don't know how much stretch or give there is, and with this material there is no stretch and no give. I'll list all the size and prices and links for each of these items down below. Okay, on to the next items. I got this sort of like tracksuit set. I've never had one of these really, and I just love this color combo, and I thought I would give it a try. And I really like it because it seems comfy and sporty. Alright, so let's go try the suit out. Okay, and here is the second, well, the next two pieces, which is the tracksuit, the top and the bottom. So this is a size 22-24. What I'm noticing so far is that with Ashley Stewart stuff, my size is in Ashley Stewart stuff seems to be a little bit more on the snug side in like the midsection. So I feel like the pieces aren't too midsection conscious. So maybe it's for like certain body types, but then like up here it's like much looser. I do like looser jackets, but I feel like this is too loose, and then like in the midsection it's pretty tight. The same thing with the pants. As you can see, it's pretty snug around the midsection here, but then it falls away from the body. But I feel like it's like too big at the bottoms now. It comes down too long on me, and it's too loose around the ankles when I wish that it was actually a little bit more snug. Like the band does not wrap around. It's probably like 2 inches that could get like tighter. I don't know about the bottoms too much, but this is fun. I do love the colors a lot. I think that's what I like about it so far. But other than that, I don't know. What do you guys think? Another thing is there's no pockets whatsoever. I think we're ready for our next piece, and I think what I'm going to do is go to all my tops that I got. Okay, and here is the top. I love this because this is just so much fun. The texture is fun. It's super soft, so it's not itchy at all. And it's a loose fitting shirt. It does stretch. Yeah, 22-24. So this one's true to size for sure. It fits pretty loose, fits as it should. And it comes down right along the midsection and it fits comfortably. I really like this piece. Like in the back there isn't the fabric, but it's all in the front. And overall, I feel like this was just a great statement piece because it's so simple, but like the texture brings so much and it can bring so much to an outfit. I also put on some bottoms just to put on with this top. They are super comfy, like the material itself is super like just smooth and comfy. It's a suede material. Like what I'm noticing with Ashley Stewart stuff is that it's more snug around the midsection and then it gets super baggy. So like if I get the size for my thighs, then it'll be too tight here. And if I get the size for here, then it's too loose here. So these are size 24. There's a lot of stretch. It's super comfy, but again, like I'm a size 22 normally, so like this is super big around my thighs, around my ankles, my calves. It just looks too loose. It looks too loose around the butt area, giving you that diaper butt look, which I hate. So I would probably get this in a size 22 since there is so much stretch. Get it true to my size, even though I know it's gonna be a little bit more snug around the midsection, only because I need to fit more fitted around my butt, thighs, and ankles. Okay, I think we are ready for our next item. All right, this next item is, I feel like I'm going with like some sort of feel with like the feathers and the furriness. But this just has a feathered bottom like detailing, and it's a simple black shirt up top. I think this will look cute with some jeggings or faux leather jeggings and some booties. But let's go try it on. So this top is also a 224. Now on top it fits like it's true to size, but on the bottom where there is the feather trimming, because there is no stretch to it, it stops at a certain point, and like I said, they're in my midsection, because the feather embellishments are on this sort of like ribbon, and the ribbon, there is no stretch, no give, so it's not coming down the way it should, and it's not falling on the body as it should. It's not as it's pictured, like, so it's not dropping and looking, it doesn't look nice, in my opinion. It's just getting frumpy in this section, and it just looks messy. It looks like someone like got a really bad haircut and decided to attach it to their waist. So I think this is a no for me. So this is the next top. This looks fun and frilly, and I thought it was perfect for the upcoming spring, and I hope it fits because it looks like a lot of fun to wear. So let's go try it out. Here is the next top. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this yet. It feels like there's so much fabric that I'm almost losing shape. I think depending on how I style it, it can look good or look bad. But as of right now, I feel like I'm kind of getting lost in the fabric up here. But if I go more fitted on the bottom, you know, this can have its moment. But I love the sleeves. I love this top piece. I love the mesh detailing on top as well. All right, I think I'm ready for the next piece. So this next piece is a mesh bomber. It's a long bomber with this sort of like faux denim detailing. So let's go try this on. Okay, let's get this bomber on. Fits good, feels comfy. There's a lot of stretch, a lot of give. I can see this getting like worn out over time if you don't take care of it, like the sleeves, because the fabric is so delicate, it can just stretch really easily. A lot. Maybe with some like white denim jeans and some booties or heels to bring it up a level. And these are real pockets, so you've got real pockets, but I wouldn't put too much in here again because the fabric is so delicate. I could see it just like stretching and looking like saggy and worn out. So I got this in a size 3X, so it fits pretty loosely and nicely. But overall, I think it's just like a cute, like basic piece to have. I like it. Okay, overall, I think this is a great piece. So I have here the only skirt that I got. This long, beautiful maxi skirt. I was actually expecting the material to be a lot more stiffer, but it's a super light and flowy and soft material, so I'm excited to try this out. Let's get to it. For this skirt, this is a 3X. The material is super soft and light, like I said. It's a little too long for me, so I kind of have to pull it up a little bit higher. Right now it's touching the ground, so I would definitely need to wear it with something that is going to elevate me so that it's not dragging across the ground. But I really love this piece. I love it more than I thought I would. It's such a cute maxi skirt. Like honestly, I would pair this with like a crop top. Maybe even brownify it, give me some like Daisy jewelry to wear it with it. And maybe like New Yorkify it too. So like some Daisy jewelry with like a leather crop jacket and maybe a crop top too as well. I think this is so cute and it's perfect for the spring. Like look at the bottom, y'all. Look at how this fabric moves. And it's such a pretty design. Like I love the actual design, pattern design on the fabric itself. Again, it is a size 3X, normally I'm a size 2X, so I had to size up for this, so be aware of that. This is not true to size. I'm noticing that I am actually a size up in Ashley Stewart as opposed to my true size. Oh, I love this a lot. I like it a lot. This is definitely a good purchase for me. What do you guys think? Let me know. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Shoot. Ooh, maybe even with this top. Okay, we are ready to move on to the rest of our bottoms now. So these bottoms have this corset tie up around the waist. So I'm not sure how this is gonna fit. Looks like it's pretty small, so I'm thinking that right now it's probably not gonna fit the way I would prefer it to. But let's go try it on anyways. So it's a very comfy fit. The fabric is super like light and stretchy, but super comfortable. I like the way that it fits around my thighs and my butt. It's a little tiny bit loose around the ankles, but not so much that like I hate it. Honestly, it feels like kind of like house pants I would wear at home, just because they're so comfortable. So these are actually a 4X and it's $29.50. So I had to like go up 2 sizes to make sure that these fit properly. Because they are pretty snug. I think that if it was a 3X or a 2X, they wouldn't fit properly. Probably be too snug around the waist. But I'm surprised that it even begins to fit my like thighs and my ankles. So they fit super comfortable. But I'm not sure that they're worth the price. I feel like I can get like pants like this and this material for much cheaper from like an Old Navy or I don't know, like a Charlotte Russe for like $5. Okay, so for the next item, I'm gonna go ahead and try one of their jeans, which I haven't tried yet, so let's go try it out. Okay, and now we have these jeans, which I'm totally digging and feeling. These are a size 24, but it kind of fits like boyfriend jeans, so I don't mind that. Although I know when I start wearing them out, they will stretch out a little too much, so maybe I should have gone for a size 22. But the detail on these guys is super cute. I have to show it to you up close. But yeah, it fits loose, like sort of like a straight cut. Very comfy. Fabric there's a lot of stretch. So I think you can definitely wear true to size for these. If you want a more fitted feel, and then if you want a more loose feel, then go a size up. But these are super cute. I love the distress detailing, and I especially love the jewels on this. It looks super cute. I think it's fun for the spring coming up. Look at the details on this. It's super cute. Right now the light is completely washing out the color on this. Let me see if I can adjust the lighting. But yeah, you totally can't see the color in the camera, but they're multicolored, which is so pretty in person. Now for the last item, I got these white pair of distressed jeans, so we're gonna go ahead and try these out as our final piece. Okay, and here are the white jeans. It fits pretty decently around the waist. It does show my midsection, but I don't mind that because this type of jeans, I would probably wear a looser fitting shirt over it. It is baggier at the ankle and the calves, but I really don't mind the bagginess because it kind of feels like, you know, boyfriend jeans again. And I know I've never really had the courage to wear white jeans except like maybe last summer with the Fashion Nova haul I did. But I might be taking another risk and like trying out a new pair of white jeans. I really like the distressing on this. And the fabric is super stretchy. I probably could have even gone a size down. I did a size 24 on this too again, just to make sure. Okay, my loves, that's it for the last piece in this haul. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share, help a girl out, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you like seeing these try-on haul videos, let me know. I need to know these things. I need to hear from you guys. Comment below so that I can do more. If there's a specific brand or, I don't know, anything that you guys want me to try out and do a try-on haul with, definitely comment below, let me know, and I can get to that for you guys. Other than that, that's it for me, guys. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Bye. Mwah.